Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Empowering Finance with Technology. I am Arnab Datta and in today's video we are going to explore one of the most powerful new capabilities introduced in modern Excel. It's called the regular expression, commonly known as regex. If you work with text data, whether it is extracting invoice numbers, validating phone numbers, cleaning messy data, finding email addresses or replacing unwanted characters, then this video is going to completely change the way you use Excel. Microsoft now has introduced three powerful regex functions in Excel 365: Regexextract, Regexreplace, and Regextest. These functions bring programming level text processing directly into Excel worksheets without the need for VBA or Power Query. In this video, we will begin with Regexextract, where you will learn how to extract useful information from complex strings using regex patterns. We shall understand the syntax, different return modes, capturing groups, case sensitivity, and several commonly used regex tokens. Then we shall move to Regexreplace, where we will learn how to intelligently replace patterns inside strings, whether it is masking phone numbers, removing extra spaces, swapping names, or replacing specific occurrence of a word. Finally, we will explore Regextest, a highly useful function that checks whether a pattern exists in a text or returns a simple true or false result. This is extremely useful for data validation and checking formats such as mobile numbers, email IDs, and much more. Throughout the video, we shall work through multiple practical examples step by step, and I will explain the logic behind every regex pattern in simple language so that even beginners can follow along comfortably. I will strongly recommend that you pause the video at important places, note down the formulas, and practice them yourself in Excel. Once you become comfortable with regex, you will realize how dramatically it can improve your productivity in data cleaning and text analytics. So, without delay, let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of regex.
Regexextract. The Regexextract function allows you to extract text from a string based on a supplied regular expression. You can extract the first match, all matches, or capturing groups from the first match. Syntax: Regexextract, text, pattern, return mode, case sensitivity. Argument description: text required. The text or the reference to a cell containing the text you want to extract strings from. Pattern required. The regular expression, regex, that describes the pattern of text you want to extract. Return mode: a number that specifies what strings you want to extract. By default, return mode is 0. The possible values are 0. Return the first string that matches the pattern. 1. Return all strings that match the pattern as an array. 2. Return capturing groups from the first match as an array. Note: capturing groups are parts of a regex pattern surrounded by parentheses. They allow you to return separate parts of a single match individually. Case sensitivity determines whether the match is case sensitive. By default, the match is case sensitive. Enter one of the following: 0. Case sensitive. 1. Case insensitive. Symbols called tokens can be also used that match with a variety of characters. These are some simple tokens for reference. Here are some details about the different tokens that are used in the Regexextract function. Pause the video to note the use of various tokens, which will be helpful in understanding the demonstrations. Here are more examples of pattern and their description and examples. You can pause the video and take note. It will be helpful in understanding the demonstration. In the first example, we are going to extract numbers from text. For this, we're going to use the formula as shown on the screen. Now we shall explain the formula. The pattern must be enclosed within double inverted commas. 0 to 9 within brackets indicates any numerical digit, and plus sign indicates one or more numeric digit. We find the number is extracted from a sentence. In the second example, we shall extract US-style phone number from a sentence. For this, we're going to use the formula as shown on the screen. Now we shall explain the formula. \D represents digits 0 to 9. Numbers in curly bracket represents exact number of times the digits will be repeated. We find a telephone number is extracted from the sentence. In the third example, we shall extract an email. Extracting an email is complicated. For this, we're going to use the formula as shown on the screen. Now we shall explain the formula. For name, we started with lowercase a to z. So we are instructing Excel to consider any lowercase letter. Then we have written A to Z in uppercase. By this, we are instructing Excel to consider any uppercase letter. Then we have written 0 to 9 to instruct Excel consider any digit. In addition, emails allow _% and dash as a part of the name, so they are also included. Plus sign indicates one or more characters. Then comes at the rate of symbol, which is compulsory in any email. After that comes the domain name, which can be any uppercase, lowercase letter, and any digit plus dot and dash signs. Plus sign indicates it should be one or more of such character. Between domain name and top-level domain name, dot is compulsory. Top-level domain can be any lowercase or uppercase letter. 2 with comma within curly brackets indicate top-level domain name should have at least 2 or more characters. We have the email extracted from the sentence. In the fourth example, we shall demonstrate how to extract name from a sentence. Input the formula as shown on the screen. We shall now explain the formula. We are instructing Excel to find a group of characters between my name, is, and word, and .* represents any single character which is 0 or more. 2 signifies return, capturing groups from the first match as an array. We have the name extracted from the sentence. In the fifth example, we shall provide 2 alternative words, feverish and ovation, which Excel should extract from the sentence. Input the formula as shown on the screen. The word feverish was extracted. The explanation for the formula is given in cell D16. In the sixth example, we shall extract numbers from a sentence. Input the formula as shown on the screen. You will observe the number is extracted from the sentence. Explanation is provided in D20. In the seventh example, we shall extract the invoice number. Input the formula as shown on the screen. The invoice number is extracted. The explanation is provided in D23. Next, we're going to extract domain name from email. Input the formula as shown on the screen. The domain name is extracted. The explanation of the formula is given in cell D26. Next, we're going to extract alphanumeric code from a line of text. Input the formula as shown on the screen. The alphanumeric code is extracted. The explanation is provided in D28. In the 10th example, we have shown how to extract multiple USA-style phone numbers. In the 11th example, we have separately extracted date, month, and year from a date format. In the last example, we have demonstrated how to extract name, surname, and full name from a group of text. Please pause the video at appropriate places and note down the formulas. Then practice the Regexextract using those formulas. You can also take the help of LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. to build the formula for you.
Regexreplace. Regexreplace is a powerful text function in Excel, available in Microsoft 365 and newer versions, that uses regular expressions, regex, to find and replace specific patterns in a string. It goes far beyond the old substitute or replace functions because it can handle complex, flexible patterns, e.g., any email address, phone numbers, dates, repeated spaces, etc. Syntax equals Regexreplace, text, pattern, replacement, occurrence, case_sensitivity. Argument what it does. Text the text string or cell reference you want to modify. Pattern the regex pattern that describes what to find. Replacement the new text to insert in place of the matched pattern. Use $1, $2 for captured groups. Occurrence which match to replace. 0 equals all, default. Positive number equals nth from start. Negative equals nth from end. Case_sensitivity. 0 equals case sensitive, default. 1 equals case insensitive.
In the first example, we are going to replace all the digits with blank. Input the formula as shown on the screen. You will observe that digits are removed from the text. We have instructed Excel to replace one or more digits to be replaced by blank. In the second example, we shall replace some digits of a US-style phone number with stars. Input the formula as shown on the screen. You shall observe that the first 6 digits of the phone number were replaced by stars. Here we are instructing Excel to identify 3 digits within a parenthesis, a dash, and another set of 3 digits. The entire set is to be replaced by 3 stars within parenthesis, followed by a dash and then followed by 3 stars. In the third example, we are going to swap the first and the last names. In this example, the name is Sonia Brown. We shall make it Brown Sonia. Input the formula as shown on the screen. You shall observe the name is swapped. Sonia Brown has now become Brown Sonia. We have identified the first name as the first group and the last name as the second group. They are automatically identified as $1 and $2. Though we are instructing the Excel to swap the positions of $1 and $2. In the fourth example, we have a sentence where in between the words there are large gaps. We want the extra spaces between the words be removed. Input the formula as shown on the screen. You shall observe that all the extra spaces between the words are removed. In the formula, we instructed Excel to search for all extra white spaces and replace them with single space. In the fifth example, we have a group of fruit names in which word apple is mentioned twice. We want the first instance of apple be replaced with mango. Input the formula as shown on the screen. You will observe that only the first instance of the word apple is replaced. Since we have inputted 1 for occurrence, the first instance of apple was replaced by mango. Now, we shall try to retain the first instance of apple and replace the second instance of apple with mango. Input the formula as shown on the screen. The second instance of apple was replaced by mango. Since we have inputted 2 for occurrence, the second instance of apple was replaced by mango. Regextext. Regextest is one of the new native regular expression, Regex, functions that Microsoft added to Excel 365 starting around mid-2024 and becoming widely available by 2025 to 2026. What does Regextest do? It checks whether a piece of text contains a match for your regex pattern and returns only true or false. True equals a pattern exists somewhere in the text, even partially. False equals no match found. Syntax equals Regextest, text, pattern, case_sensitivity. Text the cell or string you want to test. Pattern the regex pattern you are looking for. Case_sensitivity. 0 equals case sensitive, default. 1 equals case insensitive. In the first example, we shall try to find out whether a number is an Indian mobile number. Indian mobile numbers start with country code plus 91 and always have 10 digits apart from country code. Let us test whether plus 9198301234556 is an Indian mobile number. Input the formula on the screen. You will observe that result is true. This is a valid Indian mobile number. Now let us try the next mobile number, which is plus 0145678912336. Since the country code is not plus 91, it should return false, and indeed the result returned is false. Now let us try another mobile number plus 91123456789. It starts with plus 91, but has only 9 digits. The result as expected is false. Now let's try another mobile number plus 9112345678901. It starts with plus 91 but has 11 digits. The result as expected is false. Now we shall look into the second example. We have a text which contains some digits. We shall verify whether it contains at least 1 digit in it. The text contains digits. The result is true. In the next example, we have text in uppercase. Regex text by default is case sensitive.
We shall try to find a person to one word in the text, but input the word in lowercase. Input the formula as shown on the screen. As the pattern is in lowercase, it should return place. As expected, the result is return false. We should use the same text, but the formula will be made case insensitive by inputting 1 in the option for case sensitivity. Input the formula as shown on the screen. Regextest formula is case insensitive. The result returned is true.